So today we're going to be checking out the fresh new COROS VERTX 2, a super premium GPS smartwatch aimed at hardcore outdoor adventurers and dedicated ultra sports enthusiasts. The COROS smartwatches have proved very popular in the endurance sports world. Athletes like Eliud Kipchoge and climbers like Tommy Caldwell swear by them. And while admittedly I haven't run quite as many marathons as Eliud or scaled quite as many mountains as Tommy, I could certainly use a hand burning off the many cheesy chip buddies that I recently consumed on holiday. The COROS VERTX 2 offers slick but durable design, impressive training tools and unbeatable GPS support for 599 quid, and I'm going to take you on a full tour of some of the highlights right here. A big thanks to COROS for sponsoring this video, and for more on the latest and greatest tech, please do poke, subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers! So the premium experience here starts with the unboxing, because the VERTX 2 actually comes in a suitably tough and waterproof case, which you can actually reuse once you've plucked the watch out. And as well as the watch itself, complete with silicone straps, you also get a quick start guide and of course the charging cable. The VERTX 2's casing is constructed from titanium alloy, while the screen is protected by super tough sapphire glass, so the VERTX 2 is certainly rugged enough to survive all kinds of outdoor shenanigans. And this watch can merrily survive all kinds of extreme conditions as well, including temperatures all the way down to negative 30 degrees Celsius, so basically Sunderland around December time, all the way up to a sweat-inducing 50 degrees Celsius. And it's even water resistant to an impressive depth of 10 atmospheres, which is double that of most other sporty smartwatches. So yeah, this thing is basically built for extreme outdoor adventuring. You've got a choice of two different colours here to suit your own personal tastes, lava or obsidian, and COROS is also offering a variety of nylon and silicone bands to go with it. And COROS has also just recently announced special limited edition models of the Pace 2 and the Pod to honour Kenyan long distance runner Eliud Kipchoge, who recently bagged himself a gold at the Tokyo Olympics. You'll have to be pretty swift though, just like Eliud, because only 5,000 units in total are being produced. So you can set up the VERTX 2 using the COROS app, and it's a very simple, straightforward process. Just scan that QR code on your watch and the two will pair up nicely. Then you just need to feed in a bit of personal info like your height and weight, and then set up your personal heart rate zones, and you are ready to get stuck into some training. And that 1.4 inch screen sports a 280 by 280 pixel resolution, so visuals are nice and crisp, and you've got a 64 colour palette as well, with the ability to customize any watch face that you want on there. The main watch interface can be scrolled through using that digital dial. This can be controlled with just a single finger, even when you're wearing quite thick gloves. And that interface serves up all kinds of useful information, including how active you've been that day, your recent recovery rates, your heart rate range, sunrise and sunset times, and even the external temperature. You can access any scheduled training activities, while your phone notifications will also pop up for you to check out when you can't use your phone. Meanwhile, if you long press that back button, you'll access the VERTX 2's toolbox, which serves up a good variety of different apps and tools you can play around with. As well as your basic settings and also toggles like Do Not Disturb, you've got fast access to your music collection, got your standard watch features like an alarm, a timer and a stopwatch. You've got a very powerful mapping feature, which we'll touch on in a bit, and then lots of fitness features, including even a metronome to help you keep the pace. And the VERTX 2 smartwatch also introduces touch controls as well, so for instance you can use those to scroll around in the mapping feature and also pinch to zoom in and out. And everything runs with a pleasing smoothness as well. The VERTX 2's performance has been boosted over the original watch, so COROS estimates it's around 20% faster. You've also got built-in Wi-Fi support here in the VERTX 2, which is currently used for updating the smartwatch, but COROS reckons it'll be expanding that functionality in the near future. But one of the best and brightest features here on the VERTX 2 is undoubtedly that offline mapping feature, which offers a choice of landscape and topographic layers as well as a hybrid option. This is the first GPS watch equipped with an all-satellite dual-frequency GNSS chipset, allowing the VERTX 2 to simultaneously talk to all satellite systems, including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Byeeee and QZSS. And not only that, but this watch can communicate with those satellites in 2 concurrent frequencies, so it can track your precise location with terrifying accuracy, even if you're prancing about in the most challenging of environments, including rainforests, canyons, even bustling city centres where you're surrounded by whopping great massive skyscrapers. This feature can help accurately track your route when you're out cycling, hiking, mountain climbing and what have you, but it's also ideal for simple navigation using the global offline landscape map, with the ability to freely download topo maps of your region from coros.com. And COROS has very kindly announced that it will be bringing that topographical mapping feature to existing smartwatches as well, including the original VERTX and the Apex Pro. And COROS has a great reputation for bringing fresh new features to older devices whenever possible, so it's great to know that your spangly new smartwatch is going to be supported in the long term. And despite all of this next level satellite tracking, you'll get a full 90 hours of use from the VERTIX 2 on a full charge of that battery, and that is with all systems active. With dual frequency, you can expect around 50 hours, but even if you just use standard full GPS, you'll get a full on 140 hours of power. And with basic daily use, the VERTIX 2 can keep on going for 60 days before it will finally need refueling. Inside that COROS app, you can craft your very own training plan, including a massive selection of exercises to target select bits of you or give you a full body workout. And the training tools even include advice on how to do each exercise properly to get the maximum benefit. You can also set yourself targets for your running, swimming or cycling sessions, adding in factors like cadence and pace so the VERTIX 2 knows exactly how intense you want that workout to be. Otherwise, if you'd rather just track your fitness shenanigans on the fly, well, the VERTIX 2 supports a huge variety of activities. Hiking, biking, climbing, skiing, rowing, cardio, whatever healthy hobbies you're into, this smartwatch can handle it. The COROS VERTIX 2 can constantly measure your heart rate, you've got an SpO2 sensor as well which monitors your blood oxygenation levels, and the ECG sensor can monitor your heart rate variability, giving you a really insightful overview of your body's health metrics over time. HRV is particularly useful for measuring stress levels. Just get yourself in a relaxing position and press your other hand over the watch bezels and then just wait until the results pop up on the screen. And this can reveal exactly how stressed out your body is feeling, with lower scores showing that you definitely need to ease back on work and spend more time watching relaxing tech videos from your favourite bald miscreant. And if you want to bop along to your favourite tracks or listen to some audiobooks or podcasts while you're hitting the great outdoors or just working out down the gym, well, no worries. You can load up the watch's 32 gigs of storage with all kinds of audio to enjoy offline using your Bluetooth headphones. Just connect the VERTIX 2 to your computer using the bundled USB cable and then drag and drop your audio files and you're good to go. And if you happen to be the proud owner of an Insta360 camera, well, great news, because the VERTIX 2 can even be used as a remote control, so you can take yourself a proper self-congratulatory selfie when you finally scale that massive great mountain. So alright, there's a full unboxing and tour of the fresh new COROS VERTIX 2 smartwatch. As I say, definitely one for the hardcore outdoor adventurers among you. So what do you reckon? Definitely be great to hear your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks again to COROS for sponsoring this video, and for more on the latest and greatest tech, please do subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers!